that's what babies look like.
Oh my goodness, cool.
From here.
That's a lot of them. Look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Was
can
that-
see them in the soil too.
Oh, yeah. If we have not done that, we'll just see tiny little lines are moving. The little babies. With that, it makes it way better. And easier and closer. There's the messenger house. So nice. Here, there's just like little lines squiggling.
You can see all those too.
Yeah. I can't really see them from here though. From
Yeah, they're too small.
one thing I see, I can't see them, but they're tiny little wigglers. They look like larvae,
But
they probably are.
that's cool.
So we do have a lot of worms, but they're just all babies.
Okay, let's go back to regular video. Okay, that's normal. That's 1 times. Can barely see it.
Here.
And let's zoom in. That's 6 times, 8 times. There's 11, 12 times.
There's
12 times zoom right there.
Oh, that's like a microscope. Look at that. Wow. Look at all those white stuff. All those white I see a worm.
There's a lot of them.
I think the white looks...
Way more than we thought they were, that's for sure.
Well, I wonder why they're like white dots. They are so small that we can't even see. Wow.
There's hundreds of thousands of them probably.
Yeah, on every
This is just on
food.
one tiny little apple core. And there's like 3 apple cores in here.
That means every apple core or other compost things you put in there, they just all the I think the worms lay their eggs near the food, and then when they hatch, the little babies start to eat the food. I wonder if they even eat their egg shells.
Zoom out.
I see one that's like just hanging.
What's that? Some sort of bug in there. Look at that, see the bug? Right there.
Oh yeah.
I wonder what that one is.
I wonder where that is swimming. Oh, I know where it's swimming. I see a small bug. Right there.
There's one right there.
That's the one I see without the phone.
Looks like a beetle. Yep.
Can you do all the way closer?
No, it blurs.
Oh. That's close enough.
You can see the worms around it too.
Yeah,
See
it
more worms
disappeared.
around it. Oh, there he is. 12 times the max I can get.
That's fine. Oh. I wonder what bug that is. and see where it's going to come out. And it's going to come out from the same direction. Because it can't really go anywhere, like it's a dead end over there.